Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Let's get our bake on. So as you can see, we've got everything in the background there. My mum made some gorgeous homemade sausage rolls the other day, so we thought we'd give them a go ourselves. We've got some cookies to make, Rice Krispie cakes, and we've got some very festive Christmassy decorations. So when I have my trusted helper and he is ready, then yeah, we're gonna get baking. Ready, set, bake. Get, set, bake. Get ready, bake.
No bake.
Just bake. Right, so I've placed the oven on preheat at 180 degree fan. And then we bought this from Asda, which is the ready rolled puff pastry sheet. We basically just need to de-skin these. So I think, ooh. My mum said you can, like, at the end you can get it and then... Talking of the devil. Hello? Mum? You know, with the sausage rolls...
Yeah.
How did you get the skin off the sausages?
You just cut the end and then pull it off.
It's not happening with these sausages. So we just spoke to my mum and she said that she just cut the end and then pulled it off the sausage, but ours really is not doing that. So we've just gone with the mush it all together and hope that it breaks the skin up enough so it doesn't like go crispy within the sausage roll. Okay, so then what we are going to do is get the pastry. So this just comes rolled out on a sheet. Then we're going to roll the sausage together down the middle and then roll the pastry up, I think. I'm making this up as I go along. So I'm just going to spread this sausage out. Maybe it's best... Oh my god, okay, no, that's stuck there now. This might be a bit of an uneven sausage roll. Okay, I'd say I've spread that out all so it's even enough. I think I've got too much sausage. Because one slice of that is going to be a hell of a lot of sausage. Right, okay, so then once the sausage is in there, we need to roll the pastry. So we're going to spread this over so that basically it goes all the way over the sausage. Trying not to rip the pastry. Then we need to beat an egg. Oh.
If you just drop the egg in there. Beat the egg and drop a tea. Stand there and look pretty.
Observing at the minute, yeah.
Observing.
Okay, now that has been very well beaten, well done. We need one of these.
What's that called?
An egg brusher.
The old egg brusher. That's the one.
Then we're just going to brush some of the egg along there to seal it. Then we're going to take this and roll it over so that the pastry is doubled. Making it look like a sausage as you go along. So we're going to roll that all the way off. Like so.
And then put it back on.
Plonk it back on.
And then just stick it back on.
Do you want to do the egg brusher this time?
No, it's alright. You can do the egg brusher.
You're not much use in this kitchen.
What do you mean? What do you want me to do? Alright then, we're brushing.
Brushing the egg along the seam.
You haven't given me much to play with it.
Which egg?
No, surely you would have wanted it that way.
Then I think we need to cut Do we cut this before or after, don't you think? I think if we cut it now, it's got more chance of cooking, hasn't it?
Yeah, cut it before. What's that? What's that?
Sausage roll.
That's a sop.
What do you mean that's a sop?
Look at the size of it.
Yeah, it's a bite size one.
It's
Ah.
empty.
That's my thumb.
Would you like me to cut it?
Yeah.
Because you did cut your finger.
You cut and then I'll egg wash.
Okay.
We're like the dream team. Could you move that way slightly though, Mr. Dream Team? So yeah, once they're at their desired size, then I think you just put a bit more egg wash on, just for good luck. Or something like that.
Just for banter.
Just for a bit of bounce, to have a bit of extra egg. So, once you are pleased with your sausages, then we're going to lift them.
Didn't think this through, did you?
Onto the baking tray. Do you think you can put that in the oven?
Yeah, probably.
Will it set on fire?
No.
So these are our sausage rolls. Some bigger than others, so I'm hoping that they all take the same amount of time to cook. But they're ready to go in the oven. So let's stick them in. They're going in for roughly 30 minutes, but we will check on them to see how they're doing. So now we're going to move on. We're going to do these. These were from B&M, and it's just the cookies for Santa. And then we've got some little decorations to put with them. Additional ingredients required for the dough: 40 grams of soft butter, and then some flour for the icing, approximately 5 ml of water. We've got that. At least this comes with instructions. Is that on fire? Preparing the dough. Place the baking mix and the butter into a mixing bowl. Okay, we're back in business. Place the dough in the refrigerator for about 40 minutes.
Oh yeah, we haven't done this.
Alright, okay. We're just going to skip that cooling time. It's chilly enough. I need to knead the dough so it all goes in.
But I need
the
to,
mixture.
what?
Just finger it.
Oh, that's the technical term.
Yeah, so it goes into like a dough form.
Just
So, once the dough is kneaded to a point where you think it's kneaded enough, put some of this down to doing really now. I think it just stops it sticking.
Wow, you put flour on the side, yeah. Stop it sticking to the side.
Stop it sticking on the side. I don't know how many this is supposed to make.
I was going to say, it's not a lot, is it really?
Oh, we didn't set the timer.
How long have they been in? I think they've been in about 10 minutes.
God's sake.
Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
So then I'm thinking if we just make 2 cookies,
Okay. You can only make 2 from that.
Yeah.
What size is it?
because then we can just decorate one each. So make a cookie. Make a cookie out of that.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, we should have put chocolate chips in this. That would have been nice. Right, okay. So they need this over the top. Again, I'm not sure why, but it just says to do it. here are our cookies. We've just made one each. I think that just goes like that.
I don't know.
Then this goes in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes,
We think.
but we shall check on it.
Well, put it down the bottom. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Second timer.
Right, then moving on to the last one, at least I actually know how to make these. Although you can't quite call it baking. So, finally, the last thing we're making today is Rice Krispie cakes. And this I know how to make because I make it regularly. We've got 2 bowls. We're going to put Galaxy milk chocolate in one and then Milky Way buttons. I couldn't find a bar. So we do want to put some Galaxy in that one. We've got to break them all up. And then stick it in the microwave and stir. So to melt the chocolate, I normally put it on for 30 seconds at a time, and then as it's melted I'll stop it probably every 10 seconds. Give it a good stir because burnt chocolate is not the one. Have you ever tried burnt chocolate?
I don't think so.
It's disgusting.
Is it really down?
Swap, your turn. Then we just have some Kellogg's Rice Krispies, and what we're going to do, put the Rice Krispies in, stir them all in, and then that's it.
We're just watching chocolate with them Rice Krispies. Jeez.
No, trust me, you need a lot, like it goes a long way. Have you never made Rice Krispie cakes before?
No,
Maybe loads of
actress.
them. How's the melting station going?
Yeah, it's all good. Probably one more melt.
One more melt. So then, once you've mixed everything in, we are using, I think this is a Yorkshire pudding tray. Is that, I think it is. I think you put Yorkshire puddings in there and then put them out.
Yeah.
I think, but we've got no cupcake holders, so we're just going to put it straight into here and then put that in the fridge to set. The last time we did this, it did work because you could get them out, couldn't you? So we're just going to go with that method. Right, so, ooh, dearie me. So, I'm actually quite intrigued to see what the towel is in the other
They look like flat breasts.
I don't think they're done. So this is our current situation. The stuff's still stuck to the top and they look very pale, so I think I might flip them. Put back in for another 8 minutes.
It's still raw.
Really bad. I think we've made them way too thick. Yeah.
They're big cookies, but hey ho.
Right.
Yeah, so you can back in for 8 to 10 minutes. Looks like he's at the bottom of a well somewhere. He's a lost child.
There we go, that's better.
Is that best enough for you?
So they go in the fridge, probably, I'd say a couple of hours. See, I'm really excited for myself in drawers. I can't wait to see you in trial.
Which time was that, by the way?
I have no idea.
Whoa.
There is sausage in there. I think that was an end piece.
Yeah.
5 minutes.
So here are the sausage rolls. They don't look too bad. But we'll let them cool and see how they taste, and we'll give them a test later on. I think what we're going to do is take the dog on a walk now so we can let the cookies cool, let the sausages cool, let the Rice Krispie cakes set a bit, so then that way we can decorate the cookies because they'll be cool enough and give the sausage rolls a taste test. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit.
Just look like a big splotch.
Right, we're going to taste test the sausage rolls. They've turned out alright.
Nice.
Right, let's have a look at these. This is what I'm most excited for. I knew what this would go wrong.
No, I think the sausage roll is nice. I'm excited for the sausage roll.
Oh yeah, sausage rolls.
I'll take a couple to work.
Yeah. So this is the end result. Sorry about the lighting. It is now night time, so this is just the light in the kitchen. Sausage rolls are a winner. They're really nice. Really enjoyed those. They come out okay. They're just a little bit big for a mouthful.
Nothing
Even for your mouth.
Nothing like this happening.
But they are very tasty. This is my cookie, so I have decorated it. Yeah, the icing just sort of dribbled all off the edge, and this is how hard they are. So I think it's inedible anyway, but I wanted to decorate it, so yeah, I've done that. Half red, half green. Chuck the rest of the snowflakes on, and then whatever left of the decorations we had. And then the Rice Krispie cakes. So we've got Milky Way white chocolate here, and then Cadbury milk chocolate.
Galaxy, not Cadbury.
Oh yeah, Galaxy, sorry, milk chocolate. And then we've just put some little decorations on top just to classify them as festive treats. But yeah, and then this was the State of Dan's cookie. So it came apart when we took it out of the oven, and yeah, it's now a brick. So yeah, I think if you're going to give the cookie mixture thing a go out of B&M, perhaps follow the instructions a bit more than we did, because
Don't follow us.
we didn't cool it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Maybe that's the difference. And we put it in the oven for 25 minutes instead of 8 because it came out raw.
Probably overcooked it.
Maybe we should have left it at 8.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'll try it. Well, yeah, I'm probably not going to try it. I'm not even going to say I'm going to try it. But the sausage rolls will go down a treat, and definitely Rice Krispie cakes. I know that I like them because we've made them loads of times before. But yeah, thanks for baking with us. We've had an enjoyable afternoon baking those. Coming on Herbie's dog walk with us while we had a little interlude while waiting for the cookies to harden, clearly. But yeah, that's it from us today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this just brought a bit of enjoyment to your day and just a bit of festive fun. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!